म्हापसा अर्बनान क्लेम केल्ल्या 99% लोकांक चडांत चड 5 लाख रुपया प्रमाण 254 कोटी फारीक केल्यात म्हूण तांचो लिक्विडेटर मिडिया मुखार उलयलो.
Only 33,570 claims have been received, and out of these 33,046 claims have been cleared, and we have paid 250 crore rupees to these 33,046 people.
424 लोकांचे क्लेम तपासप चालू आसा. तातूंतल्या 200 लोकांचे ओरिजिनल डॉक्युमेंट पावूंक ना. 98 लोकांचे अर्ज एक सारख्या नावांक लागून उरले. तांचे डिटेल तपासून ते वेगवेगळे मनीस म्हणून प्रूफ जाल्यात. फुडली प्रक्रिया खंय चालू आसा.
424 people whose claims are under examination, and out of these 424, more than 200 are pending before original documents. The moment they supply their original document, those payments also will be made. There are a few persons, 98 people, who are facing difficulty because of clubbing of their accounts with people with the same name. You know, in Goa sometimes two people have the same name. So originally the DICGC, which is the insurance company under the Reserve Bank of India, they had rejected these claims saying they are actually of the same person. But later on we showed with Aadhaar card and PAN card and all that they have the same name but they are different people.
लाखभर डिपॉझिटर आसात. कमी डिपॉझिट आशिल्ले 79,000. तातूंतले 94% लोकांचे 1,000 रुपया परस कमी डिपॉझिट आसा. 5 लाखा वयर डिपॉझिट आशिल्ल्यांक लिक्विडेशनाची प्रक्रिया सोंपल्या उपरांतूच वेले पयशे मेळटले. 200 स्टाफांक सेटल केल्यात. 2,464 लोकांनी रीण फारीक करपाचे आशिल्ले. ते 53 कोटी जाताले. 1,629 जाणांनी फारीक केले. 31 कोटी आयले. 835 केसी वेगवेगळ्या कोर्टांनी पेंडिंग आसात.
Law says that for those who have more than 5 lakh rupees, up to 5 lakhs they will get payment. Balance can only be paid at the end of the liquidation process. Now, what does the liquidation process involve? It involves disposing of the staff and settling of dues. We have done that. We had almost 200 staff. We have disposed of all the 200 staff and we have settled their dues. We are now only working with a very small number of less than 20 people who are on contract.
Bureau Report, Prudent.